Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a quick beauty tip that some of you guys may or may not have known, but have you guys had anything that comes in a tube and you're like, I know there is more in here, I just cannot, and you're just trying to squeeze it all out, you're just trying the best, but then you don't want to waste it either, right? So I have the best solution for you. So I've just got done using all of our firming cream. Our packaging has a little change, but our Body Boost Firming Cream, it tightens and tones, helps reduce cellulite. Any double chin, loose skin, it'll tighten and tone them all up here, and is a perfect to use as a moisturizer. If you have not found a really good lightweight moisturizer for your face, this is perfect. It does not leave greasy on your face at all, doesn't leave it filmy or anything like that. You can put your makeup right on afterwards. Wonderful. It's our Body Boost Firming Cream. So when you're done with them, you're going to just cut the bottle in half, okay? So first you can then, look at this. Look, there's a whole bunch right there that I could have swore I squeezed out. And the great thing about our firming cream is that, that's probably still too much. About this much is all that you need for your face. So I have actually not applied it this morning. And it's got a wonderful light, very light scent. A lot of people don't even notice that there is a scent to this. And that little bit is all that I needed for my face and my neck, as you saw. So you want to rub it in a circular upward motion. So you don't want to help gravity, okay? And then on your face. And I just rub it until it is fully absorbed, because you can tell when it's fully absorbed into your skin. And it's so much, it's just absolutely amazing. So there's obviously some in here. You can try to dig some out. And then of course, then in here, look, let's open this up here. Oh my gosh, I have probably another, at least a week's worth of product in here, because you don't need a lot with our products. So after you're done with them, all you gotta do is squeeze it right back into here, and you put the lid on, and it also seals it, so it prevents it from drying out, so that way you are still able to use it, and you can grab all the crevices, your lotion from all the crevices inside of the bottle, and you can still use it and grab every nook and cranny off of it to maximize the use of the product.